So a while back, millions of you guys saw as the new Ford Explorer fooled me with its fake engine noise. It sounds pretty good.
It's fake noise.
That's not the exhaust I'm hearing? Come on, that's not the motor?
It does not sound like that on the outside.
The noise was coming out of the speakers, not the actual exhaust. But you've got 400 horsepower. You've got twin turbos. Now it's time to do something about that so you can hear the real exhaust on the outside, thanks to our friends at Thermal R&D. Starting towards the front, use a 15mm socket to loosen the clamps, holding the front pipes to the downpipes. Then, working down the length of the vehicle, loosen the clamps holding the front pipes to the rest of the exhaust. There's a 13mm bolt holding the rear hanger in place. You can remove this as the hanger is hooked to the body. Remove the one on the other side as well. Use a pry tool to remove the exhaust from the rubber isolators. You want to disconnect the front pipes from the exhaust on either side. Once you have them both out, grab a friend to help remove the entire exhaust system. Back up front, those remaining pipes can now be removed as well. Grab the new front pipes, making sure you'll have the correct ones on each side. Make sure the clamps are in the proper position. The larger clamps will be used now on the other end. A jack or a box can help you hold the mid-muffler up as you get it into place. Make sure both pipes are seated together, then get the clamps over them. Now get the correct clamps over the other end of the muffler. Then the mid pipes can go into place. They will line up with the rubber isolators. The last of the large clamps can now go on. Then each rear muffler can be installed. It may be easier to put the hanger on the muffler, then hook it to the body. The remaining smaller clamps can be used to secure the tips to the mufflers. Starting from the front, tighten the clamps down, but not fully, as we need to adjust the placement of the tips in the rear. So for right now, just get them snug. Don't forget to reinstall the bolts holding the rear hangers. Install the driver's side clamps and the tips now. You'll be adjusting the muffler and the mid pipe in order to get the right fitment. It takes some time, so be patient. Once you've got everything in a position you like, tighten everything down evenly, making sure the position does not shift. All right, so as you can hear, we've got the Thermal 2.5-inch exhaust installed on our new Steeda Explorer ST. And I don't think there's any doubt where the noise is coming from now. It's actually coming from the tailpipes out back, and it sounds really, really good. We went with this system because they're known for having a high quality system that's American made. We're talking stainless steel construction, lifetime warranty. Thermal really knows what they're doing. They call their anti-drone system a true Helmholtz design. And they use the word true because, well, there's a lot of kits out there that say they don't drone, and they drone. I can tell you, driving this, there's no droning. Dario, the owner, is gonna be spending a lot of time in this vehicle. He just took it for a ride, and he's got a 5-hour trip back home tomorrow, and we wanted to make sure. If it droned, we were never gonna hear the end of it, but we did our research, talked to the great guys at Thermal, another company that proudly makes its parts here in America, like Steeda, and install, as you saw, was pretty simple, and I'm happy. It really sounds good. So that wraps up the latest mod on our Steeda Explorer. Started with the Steeda lowering springs, then we had that front mount intercooler. Now we did the thermal exhaust system, which everything is available right there at Steeda.com. In fact, let us know what you'd like to see next. But hit like, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Remember the most important thing, Steeda, where speed matters. I wish it was a little smoother, Frank, but it was a little choppy. Do I need to do it again?